Every great customer journey starts with one intentional step. In EmpowrSoft, that step is creating your funnel. In this video, you'll learn the different ways to create a funnel and how to choose the best option for your business goals. Let's get started with creating a new funnel. To begin, navigate to Sites, then select Funnels. Click New Funnel. You'll see three options to choose from. From blank, build your funnel completely from scratch. Funnel AI, use AI-powered creation to generate a funnel quickly. From templates, start with a professionally designed, conversion-tested funnel. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and experience level. Or you can create a funnel from template. If you want to save time and start strong, templates are your best friend. Templates are designed using proven layouts that convert, allowing you to focus on customization instead of structure. Here's how to do it. Navigate to Sites, then Funnels. Click New Funnel, select from Template, and click Continue. This opens the template library. You can search, filter, and sort templates based on your needs. Preview a funnel to see its structure and layout. Once you've chosen your template, click Continue. The funnel opens in the funnel editor where you can customize the design, copy, and branding to match your business. When you're done, click Save. Next, let's create a form. Forms are the engine behind lead generation. They allow you to collect the right information at the right time, without friction. You can access the form builder in two ways: directly from the funnel editor using the form picker, or from the main form section in EmpowrSoft. Then next, click Add Form. Using the form editor, customize your fields, layout, and branding to align with your funnel experience. Once complete, click Save. Your form is now ready to capture leads and connect with automations inside EmpowrSoft. Edit an existing funnel. Funnels aren't set it and forget it. As your strategy evolves, your funnel should too. To edit an existing funnel, navigate to Sites, then Funnels. From the funnel list, select the funnel you want to update. Make your changes in the funnel editor. When finished, click Save. Regular updates help keep your funnels relevant, optimized, and aligned with your goals. Next, let's add a domain to your funnel. A custom domain adds credibility and professionalism to your funnel. To connect a domain, go to Settings, then Domains. Click Connect a Domain. Enter your domain name and click Continue. Follow the DNS setup instructions provided. These steps may vary depending on your domain registrar. Once your DNS records are in place, click Verify Records. After verification, link the domain to your funnel and click Proceed to Finish. Your funnel is now live on your own branded domain. You've now learned the different ways to create, customize, and launch funnels in EmpowrSoft. Your next step: customize your funnel design, connect forms with automations, and track performance to continuously improve results. Thanks for watching, and welcome to building smarter, scalable funnels with EmpowrSoft.